YouTube. I am setting up my drone to follow me in this empty parking lot. It is Christmas, so a lot of the establishments are closed today. So I'm gonna set the drone up and let it follow me, and let's see what we can get here. I think it's better to use the phone app. Not going to do anything too crazy. So we're connected. Got it. Skip. Okay. Let it face me.
3.
Home point updated.
1.
After subject starts moving, aircraft will fly to set direction.
I need to get it far. I should have did a screen recording here. Hold on, let me sync it. Sync the video. Okay. And now I want to raise it up high. Okay. So I should be recording, I hope. And I don't have a mount, so. Okay, as you see the drone. Now let's get on this bike and see if it'll track us. Hopefully you can hear me, because this thing is going to be loud. Uh-oh, what's up with my motorcycle here? Okay. There are a few cars out here, but it shouldn't be too much. We just go this way. Sideways. That's cool. I didn't tell it to go I'm gonna move it in the back. I don't want it in the front. Okay, let's try this again. Like I said, there's no one out here. Hopefully it'll stay behind me this time. Look like it's working so far. We'll just stay in this parking lot. There's a few cars around here, but nothing bad. Up here, I'll speed up a little. Now I'm going to speed up. It kept up. All right, it did good, it did good. Now I'm gonna bring it in front of me. As soon as this car here leaves, let's bring it in front of me. So now it's in front, I think. Let me make sure it's now it's going up and down. Okay, let's try it. Go this way, and now I'm going to turn around. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it get back in front of me. And yes, it did. All right, I'm going to stop here and maybe do the side. Hopefully all of this is recording, and I gotta check the battery level, so hold on. 50%, so let's bring it to the side, and I'm keeping it high. There's no cars coming in the parking lot, but you never know. Now let's try this. I should have had my Insta360 camera on, and I'll do that one day. Let me find out what it drove. Oh, there it is. It's still on the side. All right. But this was just a short video. The next time, I got my Insta360 cam here, but I don't have time. But I'm gonna bring it in, and I'll be practicing with this thing a lot more. Oh, come on, buddy. I think I gotta hit it on the phone since it's connected to the phone. What am I doing? Come on, buddy. Return to home. Okay. Come on. Okay. That was a fun flight. So, the next time, like I said, I'll get my Insta360 camera out and you'll be able to see everything. But that's all for today. I'm gonna get home. It's Christmas. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but you might get this video late, so Merry Christmas from the DJI Neo 2.